This is a short descriptive video for a Japanese Citizen flip alarm clock model 5RD025, whatever that means. This was originally a Japanese clock, 100 volts, 50/60 Hertz. I reconfigured it to run on 220 volts, 50 Hertz, so you can use it in Europe. It is a 12-hour clock though. I really like this model of clock, and I like the colors of them because they're most of the time they're two-tone. So the bottom of the body is a different color than the upper part of the body. I really like this one with the black and the bright red. Bright red happens to be my favorite color. Yeah, it's working just fine. It has been lubricated. It received a new light, brand new cable, new plug. Let me just sound the alarm. There you go. Again, not too loud, but it should wake you up out. Let me just show you the flipping of the tiles. As you can see, the minutes are separated, which I quite like actually. It's different from other flip clocks, but it's nice. Let me just quickly show you the bottom. Reconfigure to 200 volts, 50 Hertz. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.